Welcome, everyone. So great to see all these faces. We're going to have probably 70 people this morning. Share where you're joining from, and if you can remember how far back your first design sprint was. Lee from Raleigh, North Carolina, 2017. Orit is in Tel Aviv.
There's been several times at the end of a design sprint where I've had people come up to me and be like, that is the best work week I've had. I mean, who doesn't want to have a fun work week?
I needed a successful way to interrupt the old way of doing things, and Design Sprint was able to deliver that for me.
What does the future of work look like in 2030? You
can focus on my screen.
I hope you see it. Do you see it?
Can you see it now?
Yeah.
Can everybody see what I'm sharing?
Wow, that worked.
We're in a remote work world now. We're not going to go 100% back to the way things were. So being adaptable is going to be important.
In this process of designing with, not for, what does a designer and engineer need to be thinking about?
Create safety for yourself. Set the tone, like in the beginning, and then be consistent.
The inspiration was that as we go into the future and technology growth, we should try to be more human and deepen our sense of what we like about being human. And then
Daddy's not here.
Psychological safety for yourself and others.
We danced and we had fun, and it was really a great session, super productive. So thank you so much of the team.
Well, one day we can all meet each other.
Yeah, maybe.
For sure.
Next year.